If you are looking for a quick, easy, moist fruitcake recipe, this one is a great bread maker fruit loaf recipe. Just throw in the ingredients and let the bread maker handle all the mixing and baking for you. You will end up with a deliciously crumbly cake without much effort at all. To make this quick, easy, moist fruitcake recipe, start by adding 1 3/4 cups of black raisins to your mixing bowl. Next, add 1/3 cup of dried orange peels to the mixing bowl. Next, add 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. This flour will coat the fruit so it stays evenly spread in the cake and does not sink to the bottom. Mix everything together until all the fruit pieces are covered with the flour. Now, take the bread pan and add 2/3 cup of oil. Then, pour in 2/3 cup of evaporated milk. Next, crack 2 eggs and add 1 extra egg yolk to the pan. Give the eggs a quick whisk in a separate bowl before adding them to the bread pan. After that, add 3/4 cup of brown sugar to the bread pan, followed by 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of soda bicarbonate, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, put the bread pan into the bread maker, making sure it locks into position securely, and then close the lid. From the bread maker menu, select the sweet bread setting. Press start to begin the mixing process. While the machine mixes, gradually add 1/2 cup of lukewarm water. Pour it slowly to help the ingredients come together smoothly. Once everything is well combined and looks mixed as you can see here, then slowly add the fruit mixture we prepared earlier to the bread pan. Once you have added all the fruit mixture into the bread pan, just let the bread maker do its job. It will mix all the ingredients together and then bake them into a moist and crumbly fruit loaf. Because this fruit cake is very crumbly, make sure to let it completely cool in the bread pan before attempting to remove it. Otherwise, it may come out in pieces. Serve the fruitcake with some whipped cream on top. You could also add on some fresh fruit or drizzle a little chocolate sauce for an extra sweet treat. If you like this bread maker fruitcake, then check out also how to make this super yummy bread maker banana bread recipe here. Check it out now.